So, striking serpent's head, we're going to talk about the angles of cancellation with the trap and pull, and how I do the trap anyway, and then where the strike goes. So the occipital lobe is back here. You may be calling it the mastoid. We may be talking about the same thing, but I want to have this angle when I do this strike. I want it to be coming up, actually right here. I want it to be coming upward diagonally and then in, as opposed to horizontally striking, because the upward diagonal fits the target and it strikes at the proper angle of incidence to the target and the nerve center to pinch it against that lobe in the back of the skull. Okay.
So he's going in 2 minutes there. Make sure you're careful with his left hand this
So, Bowing to Buddha from the COVID series, we talked about this. So we're going to cover this a little bit. So I'm down, he comes in, I caught that as he's coming in. I grab, pull, smash. Here's the part where you were questioning or wondering, hadn't seen. I'm going to elbow here as I plow through this ankle, boom, taking him down, and then I'm going to kick that out. I can keep this up, spin, back kick, roll, and I'm out. Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
First-class lever. The first-class lever is also comprised of the 4 basic elements of leverage. All 3 classes of lever are comprised of these 4 basic elements. First is the lever itself. The line, or the action line, as described in the book, okay, is the line that all of the action happens on. All other elements of leverage are connected to this one element. We'll talk about the second is the axis, or the first-class lever. With the lever is the line, okay? The effort on one end, the fulcrum in the middle, and the load on the other, okay? It's pretty simple to see as you see it in this graphic. When we do it on somebody or in a technique, when we show this example, we will overlay this same graphic on that. How this rotation, the fulcrum here, the press here, moves this. Okay, I'll do it this way so you can see. So that moves that, that's the first class lever. Okay, now if I do the same thing with the finger, okay, as we zoom in, you can see, and as you see the overlay here, okay, I can hold this and move this, okay, or I can rotate this whole thing.
So keep that in mind with everything that we do, that there are 4 elements that we must maintain or we must have to technically be the application of levers or leverage. Second class lever is like, so if I'm attacked, if I'm grabbed, and he's punching, all I really need to do is take that wrist lock and I cancel everything that he has.